likes it.
If you want something, go get me a charger. Or else you can't have anything because then my tablet will die.
Spaghetti.
I will give you this knitted hat that is rare if you get me a charger. Knitted hat. It's really rare and it's out of game.
حب السباجيتي. He loves it. It's cleaning
Bro's
after.
licking the plate.
أعطيه كمان. He wants more.
You could look upstairs.
بحب السباجيتي.
You canceled the trade. That was the Mom,
نعم
look at
حبيبتي.
Buddy and Chi-Chi. They're kissing right now.
Yeah.
He saw the spaghetti and he came down.
عن جد؟ نزل لك على طول بس شاف صحن السباجيتي. طب أعطيه كمان.
Oh.
يلا بده كمان.
I'm freezing out.
Mom, what do I do with this cake? I put it in the thing.
No, leave it on the table if they want to eat.
When I looked up at them.
What food can't they eat?
He can't eat chocolate or avocados because they're toxic to him. Garlic and onions, they can't eat that. Annie, Google it. I keep Googling everything that I feed him. Make sure it's good for him.